Cell division is process by which a cell divides into two daughter cells. The cell which divides is cell parent cell. The cells which are produced as a result of cell passes through a phase called interphase before a cell divides. Each of its chromosomes is made of a single chromatid. During interphase, the chromosomes duplicate. It means that each chromosome makes a new chromatid. As a result, each chromosome consists of two chromatids. The process of cell division involves two phases: I nuclear division and cytokinesis. Nuclear division is the division of nucleus, which is followed by cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm. Cell division of two types, which are called mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is a process by which the parent cell divides into two daughter cells with some number of chromosomes. As in the parent cells, the number of chromosomes is doubled during interphase. During mitosis, when the nucleus of parent of all divides, both chromatids of each chromosome separate. In this way, two sets of chromosomes and form each with a single chromatid. The two sets of chromosomes are distributed equally in the two daughter nuclei. After nuclear division, a shallow groove arises in the middle of the cytoplasm, which depends further and divides the cell into two daughter cells, each having a nucleus. Meiosis. Meiosis is a process by which the cell divides twice to form four daughter cells in such a way that the number of chromosomes in each daughter cell is proceed the half as compared to the parent cells. After meiotic 1 division, the daughter cells have two chromosomes each. At this stage, each chromosome has been shown to have two chromatids. The process of meiosis consists of two division, meiotic 1 division and meiotic 2 division. During meiotic 1 division, the number of chromosomes is reduced to half of compared to the parent cell. Meiotic 2 division is similar to meiosis because the half number of chromosomes is retained in the four daughter cells. Mitosis. Difference between mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis. During the mitosis, two daughters are formed from the parent cells. Meiosis. During the meiosis, four daughter cells are formed from the parent cells. Notice the number of chromosomes in the daughter cells remain the same as in the parent cells. Meiosis. The number of chromosomes in the daughter cells reduces to half compared that in the parent cells. Mitosis occurs in the somatic cells. Meiosis occurs to produce gametes, sperms, and eggs in animals or spores in plants. See you in the next part.